Retirement, the golden era you've been saving for. But what happens when it's time to start spending that hard-earned nest egg? Psychologically, it's a huge change. For decades, you've trained yourself to build up assets, but now you're expected to draw down on these funds and live your life to its fullest. First and foremost, it's important to remember that your retirement savings were always meant to be spent. Your savings aren't just a scorecard, they exist to help you live your life to its fullest. Reach out to us for reassurance that you have saved enough. With that confidence, I hope you'll consider spending some of the retirement savings you've got in retirement. Travel to dream destinations, explore different cultures, or indulge in hobbies and passions that were previously put on hold due to work commitments. Invest in personal growth. Enroll in classes and workshops that can enrich your knowledge and skills. Remember that retirement is about more than money. It's about the freedom to explore, to enjoy, and to live the life that you want on your terms. After all, isn't that what you've been saving for all along? This is a topic that deserves more attention as it's a real struggle for many people. However, with the right mindset, you'll find that it's just another part of this incredible journey. If you are approaching retirement, I encourage you to download our free retirement toolkit, which includes my book, The Retirement Roadmap, along with several useful guides that cover the most important financial considerations for retirement. Just click on the link in the description below to access your free toolkit. If you have questions about your retirement strategy, call us at 602-343-9301 or schedule a meeting with one of our advisors by visiting strategyfinancialgroup.com and clicking on the orange Schedule Meeting button. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe to our page for more content like this.